have been called for inspection at yung mga pumunta sa stage, yun na lang ang mga lalaro for today. The rest will have to go back on Monday at 9 a.m. for the final day of Taekwondo Batak Quezon City Olympics. We have around 25 fights remaining only on Monday. So, pwede naman natin tapusin, but we have to follow the schedule. So, 25 fights na lang ang ira-run natin on Monday. Again, for those names who were called, you will compete today. Those names who were not called for the inspection should come back on Monday for the final day of Taekwondo event.
Lumilipad siya eh. Hindi tumalon.
Serapulio, o Barangay Talikapa. Reporting now at the reporting now at the inspection area. James Gatu of TikTok, Lou and Josh Martin of Olivia, red. Report now to the inspection area. Again, James Gatu, TikTok, Josh Martin, Olivia, report now to the inspection area. Last one again is Josh Martin of Barangay Claro. Mark Lewis.
Sabi ng papa niya kanina, meron siya nag-enjoy. Pero,